Let's get started building your Weebly website right from your phone. First, download the Weebly app from the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android. Once installed, open the app and sign up for a new account using your email or Google account, or log in if you already have one. Choose a website template that fits your needs. Weebly offers mobile-optimized templates for businesses, portfolios, blogs, and more. The key is Weebly uses a drag-and-drop editor. Tap elements to edit text, replace images with those from your phone's gallery, and add new sections like contact forms or image galleries. As of 2025, Weebly's mobile app has AI integration. Use the AI-powered tools for automatic content suggestions, image optimization, and SEO recommendations. This reduces creation time significantly. With the easy-to-use editing tools and AI assistance, you'll have a website in no time. Now that your website is designed, it's time to launch it and manage it. Once you're happy with your site, you can publish it. Weebly automatically provides SSL certificates to secure your website. Use the in-app analytics to track your mobile traffic and see how visitors are interacting with your site. Mobile e-commerce is on the rise. If you have a store, Weebly directly integrates with Square's payment system. For email marketing campaigns, connect MailChimp. With mobile web traffic being so high, Weebly's mobile app lets you create websites quickly from your phone that perform well and are optimized. Now get started creating your own website.